So a third of the female population on this planet, has vaginal dysbiosis, disruption of the vaginal microbiome, which sounds, okay, so what? Dryness, irritation, funny smells, and discharge. Well, no, miscarriage. You lose your fetus. Premature labor and delivery. If you deliver a child at 30 weeks, that child's going to have problems for a lifetime. So it's not a small issue, but it's believed that the vaginal microbiome, when it's disrupted, inflames the cervix and causes it to relax prematurely and release the fetus or the baby. Well, one of the things that a woman can do is, the vaginal microbiome is very different from the gastrointestinal microbiome. Vaginal microbiome is very discrete and definable. And so ladies who have vaginal dysbiosis have almost all lost the dominant microbe, Lactobacillus crispatus, and have allowed proliferation of unhealthy microbes such as Atopobium, Gardnerella, and E. coli. Well, a woman can take crispatus. There's only one product I know of, by the way, and it has crispatus and some other species, but it's called Gyrophemdophilus. But you want it to have Lactobacillus crispatus. The amazing thing, Jesse, a woman can take this orally, and it colonizes the vagina. There's no connection between the gastrointestinal tract and vagina, yet it somehow colonizes the vagina. Is it because of contiguity, nearness in the perineum, in the groin? And then even more remarkably, there's very good science from Loyola, Chicago, that a woman takes that crispatus, colonizes the vagina, and then colonizes the bladder, and thereby reduces a very bad problem for ladies, which is repeated urinary tract infections. It cuts them by about 50%. Not 100%, but 50%, not bad. And it reduces what's called urge incontinence. There's ladies who cough or sneeze or laugh and they pee. Very embarrassing, right? Well, this cuts back on that too. So skin, airway, all these microbiomes are yielding to investigation. One of the areas we really need to know a lot more about is the oral microbiome, second only to the colon in density of microbes. And very interesting conversation, Jenny. There's a microbe in the mouth called Fusobacterium nucleatum. It overproliferates. It's okay to have normally, but it overproliferates when you have bleeding gums, gingivitis, or periodontitis, where it then enters the bloodstream. This is called translocation, and colonizes the colon. And the evidence is very good. It is a principal cause of colon cancer. Colon cancer starts in the mouth. Incredibly, it doesn't get there by swallowing, it gets there through the bloodstream, translocation. Well, that means maybe the gastroenterologist should quit being so concerned about colonoscopy and start looking at your mouth microbiome and your colonic microbiome as well. And then devise ways to eliminate it. I have a very good friend, a dentist, natural dentist in Oklahoma City, Dr. Debbie Ozment, O-Z-M-E-N-T. And by the way, she's got a nice blog too, podcast. And she tests. She's a dentist, but she tests oral microbiome. And if you test positive for Fusobacterium, she'll test your poop microbiome also. She says in her experience, there's 100% correspondence. You have it. And now she uses the common antibiotic metronidazole to eradicate it, though she's working towards a more natural solution. Is there something we can do, let's microbial say, to get rid of both areas? But think about that. That's a major cause likely for colon cancer. But it starts with efforts in the mouth. This is changing everything.
If you enjoyed that clip, press here for the full episode. I'll see you over there.
It would be hard, Jesse, to find diseases, modern diseases, that are not either initiated or exacerbated by the microbiome. Look what we're doing with reuteri, reduction of skin wrinkles, vaginal moisture, boosting testosterone.